Printer cover confusion. The 3 biggest mistakes made when selecting printer dust covers. Selecting the right type of printer cover is critical when it comes to protecting your printing equipment from dust and moisture. If you do it right, you can keep your equipment clean and extend your printer's life significantly. Done wrong, it can lead to frustration and a shortened lifespan for your electronic equipment. And you do want to get the most out of your printer, right? Here are 3 big mistakes I see people make when protecting their printer and what you should do instead. Number 1, failure to take action. Gotta start here, right? I've seen so many people pay big money for expensive high-end printers and then leave them completely unprotected and exposed to the ravages of dust and grime. Here's what you should do instead. Bite the bullet immediately before you forget and get a cover for your printer following the simple guidelines below. Now, mistake number 2 is selecting the wrong material. A cotton or nylon cover is fine for dust, but it will not protect from moisture intrusion. And the old-fashioned plastic covers can be smelly, brittle, and staticky. Here's what you should do instead. Select a quality cover made from the modern EVA vinyl copolymer. This material is anti-static, waterproof, and smooth to the touch, so dust and moisture slide like rain off a duck's back feathers. It's also very supple and flexible, down to a very low temperature, minus 80 degrees F, so folding and storage is a breeze. Mistake number 3, picking the wrong size. Manufacturers' dimensions shown on spec sheets are confusing and often wrong for your needs. Dimensions may include trays that are extended, paper holders that are open or not. People often glance at a spec sheet and order a cover to fit, with predictably bad results. So you should grab a tape measure and get the actual dimensions in inches for the printer configured as you intend to cover it. If the paper tray will be extended while the cover is on, then include the tray in your measurements. If not, fold up the tray before getting the measurements. Dimensions taken should include the outer width from left to right, height from the tabletop to the top printer surface, and finally depth from the front to the back. Select a cover slice slightly larger than each dimension to ensure a good fit. A cover is generally flexible enough to accommodate some deviations from this rule. For example, if the width of the cover may be a ½ inch less than the width of the printer, but if the cover depth is 1 inch greater than your printer depth, then the cover will be large enough to flex to fit it. Bottom line, you want to go now and select a quality printer cover of the best anti-static vinyl material, sized to fit your equipment like a glove. Choose a supplier that stands behind their products unconditionally in case a measuring mistake is made. Computer Dust Solutions has joined Amazon FBA to offer the widest range of printer cover sizes available anywhere. Amazon Prime members can take advantage of free or low-cost shipping. For more information, simply do a search for vinyl printer cover on Amazon.